Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the best tips and tricks for home decor and DIY projects. Today, we're getting creative with your window treatments. We all know that curtains can instantly transform a room, but what if you don't want to use a traditional rod today? I'm sharing 5 alternative and super easy ways to hang curtains without using a rod. Let's dive right in. Idea 1. Command hooks. First up, we have command hooks. These adhesive hooks are a renter's best friend. They're easy to apply, hold up well. To hang your curtains, simply place a few command hooks above your window at even intervals. You can either slide your curtain rings directly onto the hooks or thread the curtain through the hooks themselves. Idea 2. Tension wire or cable system. This method is ideal for those who love a sleek, modern aesthetic. You can easily find tension wire kits at most hardware stores. Just attach the wire securely to the sides of your window frame, and use curtain clips to hang your curtains from the wire. This option works well with lightweight curtains and gives your space a chic, industrial vibe. Idea 3. Curtain clips with hooks or knobs. This method is super versatile and allows you to get a little creative. Install a row of hooks, knobs, or even drawer pulls above your window, then simply clip your curtains to them. This option works great with lightweight to medium weight curtains and adds a personalized touch to your space, especially if you choose unique or vintage style hardware. Idea 4. Decorative branch or pole. For a rustic or boho look, consider using a decorative branch or a sturdy pole. Find a branch that suits your style, something with character, or pick up a wooden dowel or metal pipe. Secure the branch or pole above your window using brackets or heavy-duty hooks, and then drape your curtains over it. This method works well with heavier fabrics and adds a natural, artistic touch to your room. Idea 5. Velcro or adhesive strips. This is the ultimate no-drill, no hardware solution. Simply attach one side of the Velcro or adhesive strip to the top of your window frame and the other side to the top edge of your curtain. Press the curtain onto the strip, and you're done. This method is great for smaller windows or lightweight curtains and gives you a seamless, tailored look. And there you have it, 5 easy and creative ways to hang curtains without using a traditional rod. Whether you're looking for a minimalist approach, a rustic vibe, or just something that's super easy to install, these methods have you covered. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.